Isaac Newton, the man we remember for his groundbreaking scientific discoveries, was not always the relatable genius we admire today. He was a solitary, eccentric figure, more comfortable in isolation than in social settings. Born in 1642, Newton's life began under unusual circumstances. His father died before he was born, and his mother remarried when he was just 3. Raised by his grandmother on a small farm, Newton's childhood was lonely, but it was during these years that his mind began to soar. Unlike other children, Newton found joy in dismantling and creating mechanical toys. One of his most peculiar inventions was a windmill powered by a mouse, an early sign of his inventive brilliance. These seemingly trivial projects laid the foundation for his future scientific genius. As he grew older, Newton's curiosity only deepened. At Trinity College, Cambridge, he met Professor Isaac Barrow, who introduced him to the world of optics. Newton quickly realized that previous experiments had flaws. Light, when passed through prisms, created unwanted color fringes. Determined to solve this, he embarked on an experiment that would change the course of science. In 1665, the plague struck London, forcing schools to close. Newton returned to his family farm, where he spent 2 years in isolation. During this time, he developed his theories on motion and gravity, but his focus on light and color intensified. One day, Newton performed a dangerous experiment. He poked a needle into his eye to study the effects of the shape of the eyeball on light perception. Though it nearly blinded him, the results helped him push the boundaries of scientific understanding. Returning to Cambridge in 1667, Newton continued his optics experiments. He realized that the key to solving the color fringes in telescopes lay in understanding how light refracts. After careful experimentation, Newton discovered that white light was made up of 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. He even found that blue light refracted more than red light, an insight that would later prove essential. In a moment of inspiration, Newton sealed himself in a dark room, placed a prism in a small window, and observed the light passing through. He discovered that when light passed through multiple prisms, it could be separated and then recombined into white light, proving that white light was a mixture of all the colors of the spectrum. But Newton wasn't done yet. He sought to eliminate the color fringing in telescopes and concluded that using a reflecting telescope, which employed mirrors instead of lenses, would solve the problem. His invention, the reflecting telescope, revolutionized astronomy by removing the troublesome color fringing that had plagued earlier designs. Newton's discoveries about light and color not only transformed the way we view the universe but also unveiled the mysteries of light itself. From a lonely boy tinkering with toys to a brilliant mind who changed the world, Isaac Newton's journey was one of relentless passion and perseverance, proof that true genius often blooms in isolation and curiosity.